It's a little toasty out today. What's going on, guys? Team from Merc Films here. Back again with another video. Today, I figured it's been a few weeks since I did a video on the GTR, so I figured I'd update you guys on what's really been going on. And as you guys can see right here, my car is currently in pieces. A familiar sight for me considering the track day mishap. But I wanted to go ahead and explain what's been going on with GTR, what we've been doing. And it's really not that much, but I figured I want to do a video on the car. It's been a little bit. Alright, so right now what I'm doing, the car, I got the front end apart, and that's for a reason. Lately I've been running into what I think is a boost leak problem. I've been kind of hunting around seeing why I'm not boosting as much, and I think it's a boost leak somewhere in one of these vacuum lines by the VOV, and I came to the conclusion that it was probably leaking from the vacuum lines at the blow-off valve right here. Now, as y'all know, to get to the blow-off valve on a 32, stock ones anyway, you pretty much have to take the front clip off. Ooh, that's bright. You have to take the front clip off and access it behind the bumper. I had a mishap at a track day during a Gymkhana event, and I had to do the same thing. Cut to the footage real quick. Intercooler coupler popped off on this side right here. Just popped off. All right, so I dropped an 8mm into that. In there. I dropped it in there, and I think it fell in the blow-off valve. I had to take the blow-off valve off to get the 8mm out. Yes, I dropped an 8mm. Anyway, so that was the mishap, but this time, I mentioned before that I had a boost leak, and my car was running like doo-doo. And that culprit was the same. It was a vacuum line going to the BOV inside the engine bay on the cold side. As you can see that little hose right there. And that was cracked, but this time it seems to be on the BOV side. I think it's that one that's cracked. I've been being robbed of boost. Also, this gives me a good chance to clean up the inside and go ahead and take all the intercooler piping off, and I want to polish all that. As y'all can see, it's pretty gross. This stuff doesn't come off from just wiping it down, so I actually bought some metal polish, and I was gonna go ahead and remove this. I also need to empty it. As you can see, there's some good amount of blow by where the filters are. It's blowing out the filters because the filters are super dirty. I need to get some new ones, which is also the reason I'm taking this out. I want to see what kind of filters these are so I can order some. Not to mention the intake right here. The actual air box is also relatively crusty looking. I want to take this out as well and clean that up. And it's really just an engine bay cleanup. My oil cooler is actually right here behind the bumper as well, and that's part of the reason I want to take the front bumper off, so when I do the oil, I can also drain the oil cooler. I haven't done that. I haven't done that ever, I don't think. So I wanted to drain the oil in the oil cooler as well. That way it's actually draining the oil completely, which I haven't done since we've done the oil cooler. Not all this is going to happen today, but these are all things, these are all reasons I've pretty much taken everything apart. Not to mention, which we will be doing this today, I don't know if you guys noticed, but on my corner lights, my smoked out corner lights, it has this chrome like edge right here. I'm not a fan of that. I think it looks dumb. And I've been meaning to paint it, but I never got around to it. Never, you know, it's just, but yeah, I got some spray paint. We're gonna go ahead and mask that off and paint the chrome bits. It's been driving me crazy. Y'all have seen me take this apart many a times, I'm sure. Take the air box and the oil catch can off many a times, but that's what we're doing. I also might paint this boy right here, looking a little crusty, the bracket for the oil cooler. Anyway, that's the reason it's all apart. Really no other reason for this video. I just wanted to make an update video on the GTR. I just want to make a video on the GTR. It's been a minute. It's kind of funny actually. I actually pulled the front of the car apart a while ago, not too long ago, and I actually posted a picture of this, the front end like this, on Instagram. And some of the reactions are pretty funny. Hey bro, you gonna do a big turbo, bro? Big single dude, gonna do a big single turbo, bro. Do injectors, gonna do fuel, big single, bro. We're gonna refill your blinker light fluid. Did you drop tools in your charge piping again? Did you do that again? No, nothing crazy going on with the GTR. I'm not doing power mods. Like, as far as like mods for the car goes, it's nothing crazy in store right now unless I feel like I need it. Right now I'm focusing on improving as a driver before we do any type of power stuff or anything like that, before we even consider that. So we're just going to be driving it. I don't plan on adding power just yet until I feel comfortable being able to actually use that power. It'll be one thing to have 600, 700 horsepower, but if I didn't know how to drive with 600, 700 horsepower, I'd be able to utilize the entire 600 to 700, whatever high horsepower range I'm going for. You know, that's kind of a waste. So I want to get comfortable with whatever is going on right now, get used to it, and then, you know, later down the road when I feel like I've improved, that's when we'll start looking at adding some power. But for now, I just want to practice, get good, scrub, and yeah. Like I said, this is just an update video letting you guys know what's going on with the car and stuff. I haven't done a GTR video in a while. Just wanted to update everyone on what's going on, and I felt like making a GTR video. So it's gonna be short. Also, if you are wanting to see more of me working on the car, I do Twitch live streams. On Twitch, the link will be in the description. I might do an IRL or a real life live stream of me just working on the car in the garage. If you guys want to come hang out, be sure to go follow me over on Twitch. Go check that out. I stream about every day, usually video game stuff. If you guys want to come hang out live, watch me work on the jitter some more, be sure to come hang out over there. That's all I have for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought, what I could do better, or what you guys would like to see in the future. That's all I have for today. I appreciate you. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and be sure to hit that bell button if you haven't already, so you get notified when I upload. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out, and see you guys next time. Bye.